Step into the Enchanted Garden, a place where magic blooms and adventures await. Meet Oliver, the wise old owl, the guardian of the Enchanted Garden, who watches over its magical inhabitants. One day, a mysterious seed appears in the garden, promising untold wonders. The enchanted creatures gather around in anticipation. As the magical plant blossoms, it weaves a spell of friendship among the inhabitants of the Enchanted Garden. Each bloom represents a unique friendship. However, mischievous sprites sneak into the garden, causing playful chaos. It's up to Oliver and his friends to restore harmony. Oliver and his friends embark on a quest to find the legendary Harmony Stone, a magical gem that can restore balance to the Enchanted Garden. The journey is filled with trials and tribulations. The characters must use their unique abilities to overcome obstacles and continue their quest. In the face of the ultimate challenge, the characters realize that true magic lies in unity. Together, they unlock the power of the Harmony Stone. As the Harmony Stone's magic spreads, the Enchanted Garden flourishes with renewed vibrancy. The mischievous sprites learn the true meaning of friendship. In the heart of the Enchanted Garden, the story unfolds a tale of friendship, resilience, and the enduring magic that blooms when we stand united.